relationship out of pity. How pity?
That kid's on opium. I know it. He sneaks out at night. He's been stealing my tools, probably building a crystal meth lab with his biker buddies.
Bob, you're buying into this whole Mrs. Hubbard paranoia. Milo's a good boy, and the Mongols are my friend.
I had to tell somebody. Every time I try to leave, she cries. And it's not normal tears. They're all thick and greasy. I can't believe her parents just left her. I know. I'm trying to track them down on the internet, but I keep getting sidetracked.
Leanna.
Ooh, Elga. Poor Elga.
Leanna.
Me. Someone else has to go over there tonight. I'm whipped, and I don't even know what that means. I'd go, but my mom makes me brush her hair until she falls.
What are you eating?
She's stealing my childhood. I'll go, Milo.
What is that?
I'll go up with my upbeat spirit and concomitant positive energy. Ding dong, friendship calling. Hello, Helga. Milo sent me. He told our secret.
Han sido tres diablos estéreo.